Hi, I am Veena and today I am going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, that of Peshawari Murg Tangdi, and I am sure you'll love it too. Let me now take you through all the ingredients we need to make Peshawari Murg Tangdi. 4 large pieces of chicken leg, 2 green chillies, 8 to 10 flakes of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger ground together, half cup of dahi or yogurt, half teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, 1 pinch of food color or bundi color, salt to taste, butter for frying, onion rings for garnish, coriander leaves for garnish and lemon juice. By first marinating the chicken, and I am going to show you how we are going to do that. So I'll take the chicken pieces, and the first thing that we need to do is to prick these pieces with a fork like the way I am doing in a couple of places. Each piece is going to be pricked. The reason for pricking the chicken is that we want all the flavors of all the spices to get in right to the bone of the meat. I'll now add the dry spices to the chicken. So I'll begin with half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seed powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 pinch of food color, salt to taste, and I'm going to add now the ground chillies, ginger and garlic paste. Mix all the ingredients well with the yogurt, rub them into the chicken pieces so that they get absorbed and the flavors of all the spices get uniformly blended into the chicken. And I'm going to allow this to marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Now that's about the time that you need for marination, but you could also, for convenience, marinate overnight and cook it in the morning. I've just taken this bowl out of the fridge, and so now it's time to move on to the next process. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly cook it for just a few minutes in the pressure cooker. So I'm going to empty out these chicken pieces into the pressure cooker, put in the remaining spices, and as you see, I put the chicken pieces in the cooker. We don't need to add any water to this because it will give out, the yogurt and the chicken will give out some water when it's cooked, and we are going to cook it exactly for 5 minutes so that it's tender and not over soft. So I'm now going to put on the lid, and we will now let this cook for just 2 or 3 minutes after the first whistle. My cooker is now cold, so I'm going to open it to see how our chicken has turned out. It looks absolutely done, except that there's just a little bit of gravy, so I'm going to now dry that up. The little excess gravy or water that was in the chicken has now practically dried up, so now it's time to move to our final frying process, and I'm going to move the cooker away to this flame and bring the frying pan on here. So I have now put the frying pan on the flame, and I'm going to add some butter to it, not too much, just about 1 teaspoon. Now that the pan is hot, I'm going to remove the chicken pieces from the cooker and put them on the frying pan, one at a time. A little bit of the masala that is on slow flame. We are now going to fry the chicken pieces so that they get a nice rich golden brown color and they are well done on all sides. I'm now just going to add a few drops of lemon juice on both sides. Our Peshawari Murg Tangdi is now absolutely ready and it's smelling divine. Let's see how it tastes. I'm now going to serve it. I'm now going to garnish this with onion rings. I've added a bit of lemon juice to the onion rings to give them a nice tangy flavor. And now I'm going to add some coriander leaves. In case you prefer to add some more lime juice, you can add this. So here's authentic Peshawari Murg Tangdi. I really hope you enjoy it. If you like it, click here. And if you have any comments or feedback, click here.
We've got loads more for you, so subscribe to this channel and ping us at food@pingnetwork.in to tell us what you would like to see here.